Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of powerful nutrition with the NutriBullet Special Edition NutriBullet Pro 900-watt blender in sleek matte black. This modern marvel packs 900 watts of power, effortlessly transforming everything from strawberries to spinach into smooth, sippable nutrition in under 60 seconds, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Included with this powerhouse are a 900W motor base, an extractor blade, a 32 ounces Colossal Cup, 224 ounces tall cups, 3 flip-top to-go lids, an awesome recipe book, and a user guidebook. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and place the cups on the top rack of your dishwasher. NutriBullet's blades are designed for nutrient extraction, turning ordinary food into superfood, ensuring you get the most out of every blend. Its essential, intuitive design makes this bullet a device you'll reach for every day, offering health without the hassle.